How's it going, everyone? PRM Collectibles here with another idol video, and so today we have Nogizaka46. So let's get started. And so here I have 6 sets of Nogizaka46 random photo cards for the month of October 2024. And the theme for this set is going to be Cheat Day. So they're going to be wearing the outfit from that single. And so the best part about Nogizaka46 photo card unboxings is the possibility of pulling an autographed photo card. That hasn't happened for me ever, unfortunately. Nogizaka46 is the only Sakamichi group where that hasn't happened yet. So let's hope my luck changes here. All right, so now let's go ahead and take a closer look. Starting out with the first set, we first have Shibata Yuna. Here we have Teresa. Nagi. Then here we have Okamoto. And then closing off the first set, we have Ito Riria. Now we have the second set. And so Ito Riria was the last card that I pulled from that first pack. However, I put it in the back because whenever I have photo cards of the full face on the top there, it usually auto-focuses on that rather than what I'm holding here. So that's the reason why. So starting out with the second set, here we have Sato. Then here we have another Shibata Yuna. Then here we have Kanagawa. Then here we have Kubo. And then ending the second set, we have Kuromi. And with set number 3, we start off with Nakamura Reno. Here we have Sakura. And another Nagi, I believe this is a repeat of the previous sets from the first, I believe it was. And here we have another Okamoto. And then closing off the third set, we have Yumiki. And so we're halfway through and still no autograph. Let's hope that changes here in the second half. So first on set number 4, we have Nakamura Reno. Don't remember if that's the exact one. I think it is of a previous one I've gotten. And so here we have Kanagawa, possibly another repeat, I think. There we have Kaki. Oh, that dropped, unfortunately. Let's see what it is. And so there we have another Kuromi. And then closing off the set, we have Sato. Set number 4, we first have Iroha. Then we have Miu. Then we have Ioki Mao, first appearance so far. Then here we have, I think this is another repeat, I could be wrong, but there we have Nagi. And then closing off the set, we have Yoshida. And so we're down to the last set. Let's hope that there is an autograph here. So starting off, we have Yoshida again. This time it's a different one though. And there we have Ito Riria. Then here we have Nakamura Reno. Then here we have Iwamoto. And then here we have the last one. So unfortunately, no autograph, but let's see who this is. And it is Kaki. And again, unfortunately, no autographs pools here, so I still have never been able to get an autograph from Nogizaka46. I have for the other two Sakamichi groups, one each, but unfortunately, Nogizaka, I have the worst luck, or it's just more rare. But I do still have more photo cards that I keep ordering, so hopefully in the future I am able to pull an autograph. But the cards I did get were great, and I do like the outfits from Cheat Day. And so that's it for Nogizaka46 random photo cards for the month of October 2024, Cheat Day. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Follow me at PR Mastodon on Twitter and Instagram. I do have a live stream gaming channel on both Twitch and YouTube, PR Mastodon. So if you ever want to come hang out and chat, I'll be live there. And so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. キュンです